Hello, and welcome to the course of learning HTML. This is a course a bit different than the other HTML courses that are available in various platforms. With the introduction of websites like ChatGPT, coding is easier than ever before. At this point of time, a learner should decide what to learn, how much to learn, and how much to take support from the available machine. It is fact that only machine cannot develop a site. However, it can always support a developer in building a website. Therefore, in this course we shall learn HTML from ChatGPT and build apps with the help of ChatGPT. Let's start. Go to the official website of ChatGPT and register for an account. You may use the free version, that is ChatGPT 3.5. After the installation, we shall directly start conversation with ChatGPT. Type, if I want to learn HTML with ChatGPT, then how should I progress? And press enter. You can see that the ChatGPT has given us the guidelines on what to learn and how to progress. As per the ChatGPT, at first we have to learn understanding the basics, where we shall start by grasping the fundamental concepts of HTML, like 1. What is HTML? 2. What are tags and attributes? 3. How do HTML elements structure a web page? Then we will dive into practical examples. We will ask about how to create headings, paragraphs, and lists, how to add links and images, and how to use tables and forms. While CSS is a separate language, understanding how it works alongside HTML is crucial. Therefore, we shall also have to ask about how to apply basic CSS styles to HTML elements, how to use inline, internal, and external CSS. Then we shall learn about making web pages responsive. We shall discuss what is responsive design, how to use CSS for layout, for example, Flexbox, grid, media queries for adapting to different devices. Then we shall explore the importance of accessibility in web design. Ask about what are accessibility standards, how to make websites accessible using HTML features, best practices for ensuring inclusivity. Once comfortable with the basics, we shall delve into more advanced topics like HTML5 features and semantics, embedding multimedia, audio, video, web forms and form validation, semantic HTML for better SEO. Finally, we shall try to build small projects like personal websites, simple web apps, or portfolio pages. We shall ask for guidance, feedback, and recommendations on books, tutorials, websites, or online courses to deepen our understanding. Dear viewers, stay curious and keep exploring new techniques and updates in HTML and web development. Hello, and welcome to the course of learning HTML with ChatGPT. In this video, we shall learn what ChatGPT says on the definition of HTML. Let us copy the question, what is HTML? And see the answer given by ChatGPT. ChatGPT says, HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the standard markup language used to create web pages. It defines the structure and content of a web page by using a variety of tags and attributes. These tags instruct web browsers on how to display the content of the page. It has also given a basic format as example and says, HTML documents consist of a series of elements, each enclosed in opening and closing tags. These elements can include headings, paragraphs, lists, links, images, forms, and more. In the given example, doctype HTML declares the document type and version of HTML being used. HTML is the root element, containing all other elements. Head contains meta information about the document, such as its title. Title sets the title displayed in the browser's title bar or tab. Body contains the content of the web page. H1 is a heading element. P is a paragraph element. A is an anchor element used for creating links. IMG is an image element used to display images. Now let's see how the example would be visible on the web page. For this, we need to install some source code editor, like Visual Studio Code. I already have Visual Studio Code installed on my computer. If you don't have installed the app, please pause the video, go to the link given in the description, follow the step-by-step process, and then again continue the video after the installation of Visual Studio Code. After opening the code editor, create a folder and open the folder in the code editor. Now create any HTML file inside the folder. Copy the code given in the example of ChatGPT and paste inside this file. If you have installed the Visual Studio Code, seeing the video I have given in the link, you are supposed to install the live server extension. If not, install the extension and then open the live server. Live server is loading the page. As you can see, the heading, the paragraph, and the links are displayed as given in the code example. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. In this video, we shall learn what are the tags and attributes defined by ChatGPT. Let us copy the question, what are the tags and attributes, and see the answer given by ChatGPT. Tags are keywords enclosed in angle brackets that define elements within an HTML document. They come in pairs, an opening tag and a closing tag, with content between them. Opening tags begin with the tag name, followed by optional attributes, and closing tags include a / before the tag name. In the example, the ChatGPT says, P is the opening tag, /P is the closing tag. This is a paragraph. This line is the content between the opening and closing tags. P is the tag name, indicating a paragraph element. Attributes, on the other hand, provide additional information about HTML elements and are placed within the opening tag. They consist of a name and a value, separated by an equal sign and enclosed in double quotes. In the example shown by ChatGPT, ref is the attribute name, indicating the hyperlink reference. https://www.example.com is the attribute value, specifying the URL to link to. A is the tag name, indicating an anchor element. Attributes can vary depending on the element they're used with. For example, the img element might have attributes like src, alt, width, and height to specify image details. Tags and attributes work together to define the structure, content, and behavior of HTML elements within a web page. They provide the building blocks for creating rich and interactive web experiences. In this video, we shall learn how do HTML elements structure a web page. Let us copy the question, how do HTML elements structure a web page, and see the answer given by ChatGPT. ChatGPT says, HTML elements structure a web page by organizing its content into a hierarchical tree-like structure. This structure determines how the content is displayed and how users interact with it. It also answers how HTML elements contribute to the structure of a web page. Nested elements. HTML elements can be nested within one another, creating parent-child relationships. This nesting defines the hierarchy of the content. For example, a header element might contain h1 for the main heading and nav for navigation links. Similarly, a divg element might contain several other elements, like paragraphs, lists, or images. Block and inline elements. HTML elements are categorized as either block level or inline elements. Block-level elements typically start on a new line and take up the full width available, stacking vertically. Inline elements, on the other hand, do not start on a new line and only take up as much width as necessary. Examples include span, A, strong, and IMG. Semantic structure. HTML offers a variety of semantic elements that describe the meaning or purpose of the content they contain. These elements help search engines understand the structure of the page and assist users who rely on screen readers or other assistive technologies. Semantic elements include header, NAV, main, article, section, aside, footer, and others. Document outline. HTML elements contribute to the document outline, which represents the structure of the page's content. Elements like headings define the main sections and subsections of the page. This outline is important for accessibility and search engine optimization purposes, as it helps users and search engines understand the organization of the content. Don't worry if you don't understand the writing. We shall see all those with example in next lessons. Thank you for watching. In this video, we shall learn how to create headings, paragraphs, and lists in HTML. Let us copy the question, how to create headings, paragraphs, and lists, and see the answer given by ChatGPT. First, let's see how the headings look like once it is opened in a browser. Create a new HTML file and paste the code. Open with Live Server. This is how the Level 1 and Level 2 heading look like. Practice writing Level 3 heading by yourself. Similarly, explore the paragraphs and lists too. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. In this video, we shall learn how to add links and images in HTML. Let us copy the question, how to add links and images, and see the answer given by ChatGPT. To add links and images to your HTML document, you can use the anchor tag for links and the img image tag for images. Links. Use the AE tag to create a hyperlink. The ref attribute specifies the URL of the page or resource you want to link to. Let us test the given example. Once the site is clicked, it directs the user to an example domain page. Let us go to Google homepage. Link is perfectly working. Now let's learn about images. Use the img tag to embed images in your HTML document. The src attribute specifies the path to the image file, and the alt attribute provides alternative text for accessibility purposes. Let us test the example given by ChatGPT. Create HTML file. Copy and paste the code. You can see the img src is given image.jpg. At first, let us create an image with ChatGPT. You can also take any image from your computer of download from the Google. The image we have uploaded is in PNG format. Therefore, to show the image, we shall have to change the name. You can see the image is showing on the page. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, you may subscribe the channel and share the video. Thanks.